Hi everyone, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is, how do I get a free lawyer for a family court? Lawyers are the foot shoulder of our constitution, and the preamble of Indian constitution basically aims to secure the people of the country of the Indian justice by socio-economic or political. Article 38(1) was that the state will promote the welfare of state of people by securing and protecting the social order, including justice. And Article 39A of the Constitution of the India provides for free legal aid to the poor and weaker section of the society and ensure justice for all. In every state, a state legal service authority, and in every high court, a high court level services committee has been constituted. Equality and justice are synonymous. To be justice is just to be equal, and is to be injustice is to be unequal. So lawyers are virtuous companions who help us in our problematic solutions, and they try to best to get out of those emergencies. Everything you say is a lawyer is confident, and which means that is not confident. Tell your lawyer the truth, and your lawyer can help you best. When you tell your lawyer the truth, the generally charges a fee for work, and that they do not but some advices is offered freely, which is called pro bono, meaning for the public good. And also in many countries, if a person is accused of a crime and unable to pay for a lawyer, so the country will pay a lawyer to represent them using a tax money. Now, the good lawyer is not the man who has an eye to every side and angel contingency and qualify all his qualification, but who throw himself on your path so hardly that he can get you out of scrap. Ralph Waldo Emerson says that. And family law encompasses domestic from violence to child custody. The specific of the law will vary depending on the situation, but generally the aims is to protect of each and every individual. Now free legal aid free legal aid for social and economical vulnerable people was introduced across India and in 1995. So now, when the Legal Services Authorities Act came into force, the law is aimed to ensuring justice for all on the basis of equal opportunity, and one of its key provisions mandates offering free services of lawyer and who volunteer the time for pro bono cases, and to those who can't afford to pay most legal aid with the deal of cases. Domestic violence, family law, housing, each law and aid office has its own rule about who qualified for its services. Now, but only those who are eligible for free legal aid, if those who are eligible for legal aid if they fulfill the criteria under section 12 clause H of Legal Services Authority Act 1987. It states person who satisfy all or any of criteria specified in section 12 shall be entitled to receive legal services, provided that the concerned authority is satisfied that such person has concerned prima facie cases to prosecute or to defend. Now, in case of Hunsari Khatun versus State of Bihar. It was held that if accused is not able to afford legal services, that he has to right to free legal aid at the cost of the state. So a few days back, I was searching on family law and I found a story of a woman who was violated by her husband and who remarried without divorcing her. She was domestic worker living in Mumbai slums, and she was earned barely barely 3,000 a month, had no meaning of hiring lawyer. So a woman right to group lead her to lead her to Mumbai District Legal Aid Services, which is mandated to provide free legal access to people or the marginalized community. I was supposed a lawyer for the free, said Mumbaitism. She was joined at the 5 hour by nearly 50 other women. From the testimony, it emerged that the problem with legal aid and lawyer were the biggest hurdling to securing justice complaint of the domestic violence. It is often said that those who help others without any money and with full dedication are known as God. But I believe that each and every advocate which who is especially legal aid advocate are God for all the poor and needed clients. So guys, thank you so much. This was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.